Good morning friends. I'm here to complete my video on discussion essay because I have made a video recently which was describing about only introduction part when you are writing your discussion essay, and today I will complete this particular essay. I'm going to describe how to write other things, as I have discussed how to write your introduction when you are writing about discussion essay, and it should be consist of 5 parts. You can start with introduction, then bp1, bp2, bp3, and then you can complete your essay and submit it by writing the conclusion at the end. I have discussed all about the introduction, how you can write your introduction in an effective way. Now I would like to give you some tips how to write bp1, how to write bp2, bp3, and then finally conclusion. Means I want to say that this video, that is today's video, is in continuation with the previous video. You can check the previous video on writing task 2 essay writing on my channel. The name of the channel is Canada Divine. If you find these videos really helpful, you can subscribe my channel, do like and share. I'm going to start about discussion essay what we have left in previous video, and that is continued today. You can start your BP1 by writing these 3 sentences. I'm not stressing at this point that you have to write only these 3 sentences. You can write any kind of sentences you find effective, you find valuable for you, you find worthy for you, or any kind of sentence or any kind of phrase which you think you can improve your score. But I think these has helped me a lot to improve my score. So that's why I'm suggesting you people to write your BP1, BP2, then your BP3 and conclusion by the help of these sentences. I'm going to start with BP1. You can start writing your BP1 by the help of first, second or third sentence. You can write it as, there are many reasons to support former side. Because you are writing your discussion essay, you are definitely provided with 2 viewpoints, and you can start your BP1 by supporting your first side because you are obliged to discuss both these sides. This is discussion essay and you have to discuss both these sides. Either you like both views or not. So you can start BP1 as, there are many reasons to support former side, or you can write the people with, उसके बाद आप क्या लिखोगे, view. The people with, you have to write view here. What is the thinking of the people who stands with the former side, who stands with the former view. You can write it as, the people with dash 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 opinion think that, or they believe that, or they witness that. You can write it as, the people with dash 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 means the people with the former side. You don't have to write here former side. This is another phrase. You can use the term, you can use the sentence, the people with, then you have to write the view, what people are thinking about in the first view, in the first statement. Then you can write this sentence here. Then you can complete this sentence by writing opinion think that, or believe that, or witness that. Or you can also write claim that. And I have a third viewpoint, or I have a third sentence to start our BP1. You can write it as, proponents of the former view claim that. Actually this line is not made by me, or this line is not created by me. This line I have learned from my Puri sir, Halls of Isles. The name of the institute is Halls of Isles. He is a mentor over there, and I have learned this line from him. Then I'm continuing to BP2. You can start your BP2 by writing on the other hand, and then you can start writing the viewpoint on the other hand. On the other hand, then you can write what people think, which are of the second opinion, who are of the second opinion. Or you can write it as, besides the pressing concerns of the former thought, view or opinion or mindset. You can start your sentence like, besides the pressing concerns of the former thought or former view or former opinion or former mindset. Or you can also start it as opponents of the former view claim that. And this sentence is also learned from Puri sir. I recommend this sentence to write, because this sentence has helped me a lot. All the three sentences are good for you if you want to improve it in your IELTS and especially in your writing task. Now I have to talk about BP3. Definitely you have to write a BP3 body paragraph third if you are confronted with discussion essay. In this BP3, if you stand with BP1, clear it in 20 to 30 words. Or if you stand with your BP2, means you are with former side or you are with your later side, then you can clear it in 20 to 30 words, means you have to write approximately 3 lines. But I want to suggest here you people something. I recommend you to write at least one reason in this BP3. I want to clear this point here. People often write that like I personally stand with the former view, or I personally stand with the later view. My views match with the BP1 or my views match with the BP2. We normally start BP3 like this. But I recommend you people, I suggest you people to write at least one reason to support your viewpoint. I would like to explain it with the help of an example. If you are provided with an essay on bicycle, a cluster of like-minded people's voices that bicycle is good for our health, and others think that modern modes of transportation are good. Discuss both views and give your opinion. If I want to say that bicycle is good for health, people have to adopt it, then I have to give one reason in my opinion. Although I have discussed it in BP1 or BP2, but I have to stand with this view by giving one extra reason. If you have written 2 reasons in your BP1 or 2 reasons in BP2, you are standing with this particular view, you are standing with modern modes of transportation, or you are standing with BP1, your viewpoint is that you are thinking that bicycle is good for health because it is manual, it helps to regulate your exercise, it helps to maintain your physique. Then you have to give another point here, why bicycle is good for health, or why bicycle is more you have to prioritize it more as compared to modern modes of transportation. Then you can conclude your essay, then you can submit it. To write conclusion or to write effective conclusion, you can use the words like to sum up, in a nutshell, to conclude, all in all. I will definitely make a video about conclusion specially, because I want to make a video related to introduction and conclusion. That video will be a kind of common video that can fit into any kind of essay, and I think that video will be really useful for all the people. It would be a kind of worthy watching, and definitely I will upload it in upcoming days. Thank you friends. I think this video will the video related to discussion essay will help be helpful for you, all of you, and all the best to all of you.